How to fix Valve Index base station blinking red. Step 1. Power cycle it. Unplug the power cable from the back of the base station, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Wait about 1 minute to see if the LED changes from blinking red. Step 2. Open SteamVR to the base station settings. Open SteamVR, click the menu, go to Devices, Base Station Settings, and check whether SteamVR detects the faulty base station. Step 3. Recover a failed firmware update. If the blinking red started after an update, open base station settings, click recover from incomplete update, wait until the recovery finishes. Step 4. Test the power adapter. Try another wall outlet. If you own two base stations, swap their power adapters. If the problem moves with the adapter, replace the adapter instead of the base station. Step 5. Check for infrared light. Open your phone's camera, point it at the front of the base station, and if you can't see any infrared light while it's powered on, the laser system may have failed internally. Step 6. Contact Steam support. Valve states that a blinking red LED indicates an internal hardware error. If power cycling, firmware recovery, and adapter checks don't resolve the issue, contact Steam support for further troubleshooting or replacement if eligible. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.